milk.
But that's not possible.
Not
Okay.
like eh?
That's the whole thing about Shakti Parinama.
That Parinambad is coming.
Yeah, yogurt can never become milk again.
Milk.
But
Eh.
milk can
Milk can
Always become
milk can transfer in yoga.
transform into
It was Bhagavan Shakti. Shakti Parinambad. Jivas, all the jivas manifested from the Shakti. Jiva Shakti. So we are manifested from Jiva Shakti. This is the intent.
Hare Krishna, Hare
Actually, if you want to Vaishnava philosophy, first very carefully everything read the Shankar philosophy. If you not read Shankar philosophy, you cannot understand the Vaishnava philosophy. This is the main thing. What Shankaracharya he told, what is his philosophy? You very carefully understand Shankar philosophy. Then you can cut his philosophy.
You mean you have to understand what is not real Vedic philosophy? Like
If you
Srila
know the
Bhaktivinoda
negative things, you cannot establish the positive.
The same thing as Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur does in Bhakti Tattva Vivek.
This is important.
What is not Bhakti?
If you know the two things, positive and negative. You have knowledge of positive, but you have no knowledge of negative. You cannot establish the positive thing.
You cannot come to conclusion.
Conclusion. Yeah.
That's why Mahaprabhu comes to give synthesis. Yes?
Yeah.
Sometimes devotees have doubts
Confuse
about why Mahaprabhu comes in Kali Yuga to give everyone the highest prema when Kali Yuga is such a degraded age.
This is Mahaprabhu Mahabadannata. This is why this Bhagavan is Satantra Sechama. Satantra Sechama, you understand? He is Satantra Sechama. He is completely independent. This is one gold in my hand. I can give to anyone. Why?
Because it's yours.
This is my choice. You
It's your
cannot
choice,
ask me
because you are
why you to give to the.
Satantra.
I am Satantra because this is belongs to me. I give to anyone who is qualified, unqualified. I cannot.
But does it also have the fact that he comes in Kali Yuga? Does it
This is
also
Chaitanya
have to
Mahaprabhu.
do-
This is Mahabadannata.
But does it also have to do with the development of historical? And I don't know how to say it. Like, does it have to do with the fact that many sadhaka jivas have been practicing sadhana for many lifetimes, and then they become qualified to have Mahaprabhu's mercy?
His sadhan, he is getting the qualified or give mercy. This is not also included in the Mahabadannata.
Not included.
I did sadhana bhajan. Then one person give to me. This is what is the Mahabadannata. Mahabadannata is that even I unqualified,
He gives.
he gives. This is the Mahaprabhu.
So it's different from the situation of the sadhus in Amisharanya, right?
Yeah?
So the sadhus in Amisharanya, when they saw Lord Rama, they became attracted to him.
They
And
also
then-
did
and
many lifetimes. They also did sadhana bhajan.
Yeah.
But Kali Yuga, most of the jivas, they also did not do sadhana bhajan, nothing. most of the time.
Mm-hmm.
But Mahaprabhu giving
Mm-hmm.
to them. And Mahaprabhu giving this the highest prem also. Not Vaikuntha prem, no Yuddha, Dwaraka, Mathura. He is giving the Braj prem. This is the thing. All incarnation they are coming. Yuga Avatar. Because all the Yuga Avatar Dharma, these are deliverance, the living entities. And mostly they are giving the Vaikuntha prem.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is coming, he is saying Bhagavan, also Yuga Avatar inside him.
Mm-hmm.
But this Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving the highest prem. Braja prem.
Mm.
So this is called the Dhanna Kali.
Then
Special Kali.
Mm-hmm.
In this Kali, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving this. Take this. Even also they, some also they don't want to receive Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy. But Mahaprabhu is chasing behind to them.
by
And
force.
caught and by force giving. This is saying Chaitanya Chaitanya. Each hoy Vyakti Dhanya Palaila. The 6 types of people they don't want. Envious people, malicious people, and also impartialist, Buddhist,
Materialist.
and complete atheist, Kormi, they don't want.
6 kinds.
6 kinds of people. Chaitanya Chaitanya explained it.
In Mahaprabhu Lila, he gave
The Mahaprabhu
to
chasing
all
behind.
of
And,
them. He was chasing.
yes, and chasing behind today.
Okay.
Take this.
Mm-hmm.
This is the speciality.
It's where Sankirtan started, huh?
Krishna gave prem only inside of Braj.
Mm-hmm.
And Krishna also gave to prem to whom? Only we can see Putana. You know, in this Krishna Leelas, only see the Putana. Putana only get little bit highest prem. Or not only the Braja prem. Actually, he got the prem of, what is it called?
Nurse.
Nurse.
Being
Mother.
like,
Milk
Uh,
mother.
No. In area of the wall of Braj, there is called, what's his name? Golok. Golok. He sent to,
to go up.
Krishna sent to him in Golok, not in Vrindavan.
Mm.
Golok is the boundary of
Vrindavan.
Braj.
Mm-hmm.
So he got this. And made servant of Mother Yashoda.
Mm-hmm.
This thing. And Krishna gave this only one Asura he got.
The
Other-
only Asura that got Krishna's mercy.
Krishna's this mercy,
This
Golok.
man-
The mercy of going to Golok.
Golok.
Mm-hmm.
But Krishna did not give the Braja Prem any Asuras.
Mm-hmm.
Only except Putana. But he very close to Braj. Mostly he killed and gave the Vaikuntha or other Mukti, different things.
Mm-hmm.
But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is giving direct to Braja Prem. Pasu, Pakshi,
Wow, huh?
birds, animals, and those who are completely coming very close to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Mahaprabhu giving. Take this. This is this Mahaprabhu Mahabhajan. So Rupa Goswami Pad quoted this verse in Laghu Bhagavatam.
Mahabhadan,
No. Explain the Krishna. Krishna killed the Asuras and he gave the prem. But what prem? And maybe Vaikuntha or Sajya Mukti. And Krishna gave the Braja prem only inside Braj and Brajavasis. Yeah? Understand? Sometimes give an example. You have nice festival. You prepare many kinds of preparation. Laddu, kachori, very high class, delicious prasadam you prepare. You want to feed that prasad to whom?
So the people you invite.
Those who are your very close friends. You call to them.
Maharaj,
You are feeding.
Gurudev.
But who will that feed to the outside? Who is not your friend? That is very rare.
Mm-hmm.
Do you understand this
That
philosophy?
mood is very rare. The
Yeah.
mood of giving to those who are not your friends,
Those who are not my friend,
who have no connection with you.
no connection with me. If I prepare many kinds of delicious and feed to them, this is my Mahabhajan.
Mahabhadanya, yeah.
This is magnificent. Mahaprabhu did this thing. Krishna gave this prem inside of Braj. because the Brajavasis, they are his own
Parikar.
parikar.
Yeah.
So saying Lotasavi Kopi Prem, Krishna gave the prem of the lotus. They have already, they have. Okay, you are giving. English were saying, the coal has coming from the Newcastle. The coal has come in Newcastle.
Newcastle.
You know Newcastle?
Newcastle is a place in England.
Yeah.
No, Newcastle place in the
In US.
USA.
Oh, is
They're the
Newcastle,
best
yeah.
type of coal manufactured.
Oh.
So,
Coal, yeah.
coal. But this coal is coming. This coal is coming other place to Newcastle. But Newcastle already best coal. Or you brought the best coal from the Newcastle. They have already. You are giving there.
Oh, okay.
Understand?
That's why
Yeah.
they say coal has come from Newcastle.
Newcastle, yeah. This is the thing. They have frame already. Which frame? That's because and in Braj and trees, birds, they have frame. And Krishna giving the frame to them also again. Or Mahaprabhu giving to them.
Everybody.
Outside of Braj, everywhere. This is Mahaprabhu, Mahavadana. This is the magnificent magnanimity of Mahaprabhu. Ram, Ram, Hare Krishna.
The mood of Srimati Radhika, Mahaprabhu.
Huh? Yeah.
What time the bhajan starts, Maharaj?
And after breakfast, they would give breakfast 9 o'clock, maybe 9:30.
Okay.
Yeah, 9:30 you can start kirtan.
Okay. What time you going to take breakfast, Maharaj?
8:30,
8:30. Okay.
39.
Cereja?
Berry, cherry.
Nós tá meio verde, não tá não?
Não, tava aqui, não.
Cherry, Maharaj.
Okay, offer to Mahaprabhu. Wash and offer to Mahaprabhu.
Yes.
This cherry, one kind of.
That's one kind.
Uh,
Many kinds.
Many kinds, different.
Blue cherry, black cherry. No, I'm confusing berry.
Berry, yeah.
Berry.
This is cherry. Não, ficou com ela. Tá aberto, tá não?
Claro que não sei.
Tá aberto.
Não tem como de botar debaixo da mão.
Não, tá aí, a chave tá aí.
Really?
Really?
Tá aberto.
Smelly smell.
Jesus Christ used to say, he used to say, look at the lilies from the field. They don't do any work, but not even Solomon in all his glory, Solomon in sua glória, has dressed as they do. Achou?
How are you, okay? You are not taking your medicine today?
Not today.
Why?
Because I think it's about making some confusion.